Hello guys. So today we are going to discuss structural directives ngIf. What is ngIf? ngIf is a structural directives used to conditional display or hide the element in the DOM. Okay. So if the condition is true, element is true. If the condition is false, element is removed from the DOM. So we'll take one example to understand these conditions. So it will like a if conditions, if you used in the any programming language, that is the same in the Angular. So we'll start working on this in VS Code. So for working in the VS Code, we require to create the project. So today I haven't created the project because uh, in my previous video somebody comment like you have to create the project in front of us, so that's why I'm creating today in front of you people. So what we need to do, we need to take the cmd in the command prompt. We have to focus on our drive where we want to create the project, and in the apps we have the folder like cd angular 20. Inside the angular 20 we want to create our project. So ng new, give your project name day 13. So I have given the project name day 13 now. So it will create the project inside the angular 20. So it's asking like do you want the css? I said no. I said yes. So it will create the all the dependency packages, and then once that is done, we'll open this project inside our VS Code. Creating project basically depends upon the internet speed. So if you people having faster than me, right, you will not get that much of time. It's taking time. That's why in my previous video, I have already created the project, and then in the videos only just I'm explaining that. But Today we'll cover each and every point. It's done. Now we have to move to our project cd day 13, and then we need to write the command to open this project in the VS Code. Code space dot. So it will open our code project in the VS Code. Project name is the day 13. So we have created this newly project, right? So inside that we having some existing code which we need to be removed. So if you go to this app.html, you have to remove this existing code first, because we will write our own code to understand ngIf. And then we have app.ts. Inside the app.ts we have this, we have to remove this also. Save it. And now we will take one example, like we will take one is logged in boolean property. So this we can like true or false. Based on that we will put the condition inside our HTML. So we'll have this boolean property which is like is logged in boolean is the type, and I'm giving the false is default. Okay, and then go to this app.html. Inside the app.html you need to take one paragraph and one button, and based on the button click will going to hide or show this paragraph. So we'll write this here, and if you see here, right, ngIf is logged in. We have the welcome back users. Okay, and this is the uh, toggle login is the one which we are going to be like event binding. So if you covered the event binding earlier, right, we are doing event binding here. Okay, why it is showing error? Because we need to be import some of the component, which is like form module. Common module we have to take, we have to import this one, and we'll see now. And we have to take the form module also. Forms module, we have to import those two things, and then we have to write this toggle login methods. and then you have to run this. For running this application, we have ng serve. So what we have done, we have this methods which we are calling on the button click, and there we have this condition, this dot is logged in is equal to not this dot is logged in. So this condition we have written, so it will toggle between the like conditions. And if you see here, right, in app dot HTMLs we have this button, and inside the on the click event we are calling this function, and then we are checking the conditions based on the ngIf directives. Okay, so we have run this. So we'll see once it will launch the URL, we'll see the conditions. So now we will copy this particular host URL, paste on this browser, click on enter. You will be able to see the your button. So now you will be able to see our toggle login buttons. Okay, so in the login button we call one function, right? If we click this, you will be able to see welcome back users. Okay, this message is coming based on the conditions. So earlier, because by default this is false, right? On the click we are enabling this, and if we click again it will remove. If I click again it will come again. Okay, that's it for ngIf. And we have like another at the rate if also, which we will discuss in the next video, because it is the new versions have the new conditions which we need to be learned. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please do practice for this ngIf. And we have another switch and so many things which we will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe if you like this, and like my channel, please.